cutest cat in the world. She's so freaking yeah. Hi, welcome back. We're gonna go and stay alone for a whole weekend at our sister's apartment. Now we are gonna bring you guys with us to get ready because we need to get everything we need. So first thing is our pajamas. Fluffy hat, our blushes. Not so little blushy, but where's all them? We have to bring them all because if we left anyone at home, he or she will be so upset. Yeah, like so lonely. Never go anywhere with our perfume. What the heck? We got all the house for ourselves. Oh, and this little cutie. Oh, say hi to everyone. Her name is Min. We also need to do the food for them, for the cat. She bit my lips. Baby, don't do that. Okay? She's so freaking yeah. She's so freaking clingy and you guys must miss Mom so much. Mom, where the frick are you? How cute he is. He's so freaking gorgeous. So cute. Oh my god. Cutest cat in the world. Say hi, guys. Hi. Snacks and the cookie chips. Okay. Kit Kat. What the frick? I want the matcha one. Condensed milk, so we can make Thai tea and coffee. Black coffee, oolong tea, milk tea. Can you help me, please? I can't. I found this huge cup so we can. But I really need to go to take a shower, and also I have to clean my phone too. It has like chicken and fish all over it. Ew. Wait, what the fuck? Help! Help! My nails stuck here. What the fuck? What? Ew. Really? Yeah. What? Oh. Ew. That's why I always tell you to fucking cut your fucking fingernails. Bro. I think I'm done with it, this thing. And we finally can do our own phone. He will be so happy. He's obsessed. You can't feed you that too much. You will have diabetes. What is wrong with you? He's like, stop! Just stop it. He's so high, you know. I know you love it. Yeah. Yo, it's almost midnight and we need to eat something. Can you just stop that or okay? Let's make something to eat. We have to eat. Tell me why the fucking television just turn on by itself.
No, bro. Like, it's...
Where?
The fucking remote is here.
But we didn't.
I just accidentally bet on it.
Really? You sure? First bite.
Great! Some of your best.
It's currently 5:50 now. She have to go to school. I have to do my assignment. Our breakfast is a cup of Thai tea that even bigger than our face. Yeah, and this cookie. Just what? Why my forehead is fucking huge? It's okay. Be grateful. Bye, bitch. Where the fuck is my phone? I don't know. It's raining really hard outside, so I'm gonna just go out and study. Monkey's head rain. He's not like me. Hey baby. When I was outside, he just stayed here, and when I went inside, he go outside. We love each other, right? Guys, see? So we all stay inside, okay? I'm gonna move here to study. Fuck. Yeah. I can turn my Bluetooth on the lap on, so fucking long. I don't want to dread it. Let's just take a break, okay? I'm not go. I'm not. We are sharing the seat. Isn't he so cute? I'm going to get my motorbike and bro, I hate swimming at school. I have to do my damn so many so much so editing homework. See, the afternoon we just want to hang, watch film. We just don't want to like them coming here and then we just do our homework. So wake up! It's the first of the month. We just bought the eggs because we don't have eggs.
Fuck you.
They just left and now we just doing our homework and chilling with this huge boba milk and clean up too, bro. I think we should clean like tomorrow. No, like how? This. Why it's so fucking hard to use? Like, oh, is that because we are dumb? Yeah, and then what? Then like this. I don't want to break anything here because it's so like, fucking expensive. How? How? Oh, is that like no? What? What did you just do to? I don't want to just fucking punch. Oh my fucking god. Oh, wait. Okay. I'm so fucking mad right now. No, sorry. I'm sorry. So we spent 30 minutes talking about the Dyson, and then we spent another hour to watch TikTok.
It's okay.
It's very productive of us.
Just a little break.
He's judging so fucking hard right now. Like, move. I want to see his face. No, no. I don't like kids. That's why we can have cats. Look at this. Like he literally just print his paw on my leg. Hello, cranky boy. We are going to get back home. Now look at all the stuff. Yeah. So this is the end of today's video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with us. And thank you for being here. See you next time.